Welcome to our tutorial on the circular sketch pattern. Let's begin with a right-click, Edit Sketch. Let's activate the Circular Sketch Pattern tool this time. Under Entities to Pattern, we'll select this circle. Here we can specify the center along which the circular pattern will be created. The number of instances, the spacing, or the number of total degrees to include in the pattern. Let's put 180 degrees. The radius of the pattern, let's enter 30 millimeters. Tab. The next field is Arc Angle. This measures the angle from the center of the selected element. Next, we have Equal Spacing and Add Dimensions options. In the bottom control area, we can select the instances we'd like to skip. Let's click OK and exit the sketch. And this concludes our tutorial on creating a circular sketch pattern.